The PEP Plasma Punch software will automatically nest, tool, group parts by work zones, sequence, and post the NC code in less than a minute. Every programming task is done with the same skill a veteran programmer would perform, only 100 times faster. Enough said. Watch and enjoy PEP Technology's true AI intelligence for plasma punch and laser punch machines. You have just seen in real time the intelligence and automation of the PEP Plasma Punch software. The nest was created, lead-ins assigned, the nest tooled, the nested parts grouped by zones, the nest sequenced, and post-processed automatically without any operator setup or interaction. It all adds up to superior technology. The following are highlights of PEP Technology's AI software. The automation begins in the CAD converter. Complex CAD files are converted to a perfect cutter path automatically and saved as PEP drawings. There is no deleting of layers, no deleting of geometry, no cleanup or identifying of the finished part required. In addition to finding the part geometry to be cut, the software finds the material thickness and searches for secondary operations and manufacturing processes such as punch tool plans. As seen in the hole chart, the software detected that the larger hole must be punched with multiple hits as shown in the punch plan. Details of the punch plan show that the larger hole requires 3 punch hits and 2 shaver hits. Operations and punch plans are saved permanently along with the converted part as a PEP drawing, and will appear when the nest is tooled. Highlights of the plasma punch nesting technology. There are no nesting parameters to set. Parts are analyzed and nested based on the part analysis. This 1-inch thick plate was created with 3/4 inch spacing, with clearance for a 0.9-inch pre-punch tool. Nesting with 3/4 inch part spacing resulted in 14 more parts being nested per plate. Advanced right side trapdoor logic. The software automatically searches the right side of each part until it finds the external line arc lead-in location with a 0.9-inch pre-punch clearance as seen in the enlarged view. The lead-ins must be located on the right side to ensure each part will fall down the trapdoor. Tooling. The tooling software analyzes the rotation of each part and tools each part in the nest. Parts with punch plans like this part are output with 5 individual hits, 1 hit for each tool. PEP's work zone logic. PEP automatically divides up the nest into groups of parts, and then sequences the groups in the order that they are to be processed. The number of groups and the sequencing of the groups is based upon the plate size and part size. Processing the nest in groups will balance the weight of the plate as parts are cut and fall through the trapdoor. PEP colors each group so the user can easily verify the number of groups. Sequencing individual part within each group. Once the groups are detected, the software sequences the individual parts within each group. The punching sequence is done by snaking up and down within each group. Having punched the parts within a group, the parts are sequenced in one direction to cut the parts in the group toward the clamps. Punch and die tool tracking will automatically manage the die size, clearance, and hit count to ensure the correct tooling combination will always be used.